So chapter 7 is about the data entry and keyboarding skills. So data entry, why we are using this touch typing software, what is the need of using it? The reason is in day-to-day life we are using computers, right? And many things are dependent on computer. Actually, जब आप train ticket के लिए you are going for booking of the train tickets, for that you need to go to the railway station and they will book a ticket for you, and online shopping you are doing for that also. So every time you need typing. Okay, so typing is to be done at a faster speed. Why? Because if it is not done at the faster speed, then it will be time consuming process. So in order to enhance the typing skills, what we are doing, we are increasing the speed, okay, by practicing more and more on the touch typing software. Okay, there are many other software also, but in your syllabus it is rapid typing tutor, so we are following that, and version we are using 5.2. Their upper versions are also available on the same website. You can easily download it. Okay, so this is a very popular typing tutor. Why it is popular? Because it gives a better analysis of the things, right? Better analysis in terms of speed and in terms of errors that you are doing while typing. Okay, so better analysis you will get. You can compare your result with yourself, the previous what you have done, and now how you are performing. The records can be compared very easily, right? So we are using this touch typing software. Okay, so the utility is to check your performance. Okay, and it will guide you because it is having a virtual keyboard, so you are not supposed to look on your keyboard, physical keyboard, or we can say the keyboard of your laptop or your computer. You just need to focus on the screen. The virtual keyboard like this will be available in front of you. Okay. Okay, so after this virtual keyboard, what you need to focus on, the screen. Okay, whatever content is written on the screen, you need to read it, and this is your status bar where that status will be shown to you, which finger you need to press, and which next finger you need to focus on. Okay, so it will point out. See, when I am on a particular word, it is showing me which key is to be pressed. Okay, so now you can see, actually this is a practice problem which is using shift key in it. Okay, so when I'm pressing shift key with it, and along with it I need to press this 5, then I will be able to type this particular percentage sign. Okay, actually these are my courses. So if I'm on different course, definitely it will be giving some other work. Like if I select basic lesson 1, so this is a basic lesson 1, that one I have selected. Now it was from shift keys wala lesson. Okay, so I need to focus on ki which lesson I am focusing. Accordingly I will be getting the text on the screen. Okay, status bar will always indicate you ki which keys to be pressed and which finger you need to press. Okay, so this virtual keyboard is very important, because this is allowing you to look on the screen only, nowhere else. Means you are not supposed to see on your keyboard of your laptop. Okay, you can just do the typing just by looking at the screen only. Fine. So virtual keyboard is very important and useful also. So beta, this is the structure of your keyboard that you must keep in mind. Okay, so there are various keys that are already known to you. See, actually there are many type of different kinds of keyboard which are having different keys, like 104 are also there, 105 are also there. Okay, so according to the number of keys present on the keyboard, the structure of the keyboard will vary. Okay, and you must know these are the F1 to F12, these are the function keys. Okay, and in laptop when you are having something something additional attached to these function keys. So this is the structure of the keyboard that we can attach to your desktop or computer, right? So these are not having any additional means functions to do along with the function keys. But you will look when you will look at your own keyboard of your laptop, then two functions are there. So in order to perform the functions alternatively, you need to press function key on the laptop. Jaise ki if I talk about F1 on my laptop, so F1 is for decreasing the speaker sound. Okay, so if I need to perform F1, then I need to go with the function key. Okay, means vice versa. You can check how it is working. Okay, so either function key or the window key, you need to check which one is functioning with you. So mainly fn will work with the function key combination. If f function key is not performing that function that you actually wanted it to do. Okay, so you can learn the names of the keys if they are not known to you. There are two control keys, there are two shift keys, there are two alt keys. Okay, in laptop you will be having only single window key, but here on you are having two windows key. Okay, and indicators are also there, like if you are clicking on the num lock key, then the light inside this num lock will start glowing, and similar is the case with the caps lock key. Fine. So beta, you need to just focus on key, which key name is not known to you. You should see the name here, like I think this symbol is not known to you, tilde symbol. Okay, actually in programming languages we are using this tilde symbol, otherwise we are rarely using this tilde symbol. Okay, so this symbol is present on the laptop just below your escape key. Okay, this is present there, tilde symbol, and you can use this symbol in programming languages most of the time. Okay, all the names of the symbols on the keyboard are given, you can check it out if something is not known to you. Fine. Like this symbol name might not be known to you, caret. Okay, so you must know the names. So now the main thing comes, this is your keyboard beta. See, and this is in total we are having how much lines, rows, we can say 1 2 3 4 5. So what is the middle of 5? That is 2.5 it comes, but we will consider 3. So this middle row is the center of the keyboard. So the keys present in this row, mainly A, S, D, F, J, K, L, and this column, these keys are known as home keys. These keys are known as home keys. Why they are known as home keys? The reason is they are present in the middle of the keyboard, and we need to rest our fingers on these keys only. Okay, so these keys are basically to place your different fingers on these keys, right? Like this is your index finger of the left hand, similarly this is the index finger of your right hand, this is the middle finger of your left hand, and this is the middle finger of your right hand, this is the ring finger of your left hand, this is the ring finger of right hand, similarly left finger, little finger of the left hand, and little finger of the right hand, and these two thumbs. So now let us see how we will position our hand on the keyboard. You will be putting your left index finger on F, and you will be putting your right index finger on J. Okay, so when you are putting your left index finger here, so where could be your middle finger? Middle left finger will be on D, and ring finger will be on S, and your little finger will be on A. Okay, and similarly when you are putting your right index finger on J, then correspondingly your middle right finger will be on K, then ring finger of the right hand will be on L, and little finger of the right hand will be on this column. Okay, so you need to put your hand there only, you cannot means position them permanently somewhere else. Like see, and one thing more, you will never put your fingers on TY, GH, and BN. If you want to rest your fingers somewhere, so the left index finger will be on F, middle finger on D, ring finger on S, and little finger on A. Similarly, right hand fingers will always rest on J, K, L, and colon accordingly. And where could you be putting your thumbs? On the space bar key. Both of the thumbs of the hand will be placed on space bar. Okay, so your fingers will be resting here of the left hand, and on the right hand fingers will be resting here. Your thumbs of both the hands will be resting on space bar key. Why I am focusing on beta? Because these are known as home keys, so your fingers should rest here only. If you are not typing anything, so even then you will be keeping your fingers here only. Okay, so if you need to press R, what you will do? You will move your the index finger of the left hand up. Okay, if you need to press E, so which finger you were having here? It was middle finger, and you will move this middle finger up to press E, and when you have pressed these keys, you will come back to your home keys. Okay, so and you need to focus on key which is the nearest finger to press that key. Like if I want to press G, my index finger is on F, so I will bring my index finger of the left hand to press G, but after pressing key I will take my index finger of the left hand back on F. Okay, so my resting position for that finger will be these only. Okay, and when you are supposed to click any particular key, you will go there and click it and come back to your home keys only. You must have this practice. Okay, so if you want to press G, use your left index finger, and if you want to press H, use your right hand index finger. Here you are putting your right hand index finger, so you will use the same right hand index finger to press H. Okay, similarly, means you must learn this. What question can come? What are the home keys? So you must learn A, S, D, F, J, K, A, colon. A, S, D, F, J, K, L, colon. A, S, D, F, J, K, L, colon. You must learn them. See, you must learn all these 3 rows where you need to place your fingers, means which particular finger you will be using to press which key. See, until unless you will not learn it, your brain will not respond where to press. You will keep on searching. So ye yaad karna is very, very important. Okay, so you must learn them ki which particular key is to be pressed with which finger. Okay, and these are the keys where you never have to rest your fingers. T, Y, G, H, B, N. T, Y, G, H, B, N. These are the keys on where just adjacent to you, you can place your finger. Okay, so if I need to press R, I will use my left index finger. Okay, and if I need to press U, I will use the right index finger. If I need to press I'll be using my right hand middle finger. Okay, so if my position is like this, you can see it here also. This is my initial position, so I am resting my finger, means the index finger on F, and here on I, middle finger on D, then the ring finger on S, and the little finger on A. Okay, similarly you can see the resting position of my second hand or the right hand. I can say if I need to go up, okay, here you can see T and Y. So T and Y is here. If I need to click U, then I will use this finger to go up. Okay, and will press it. Similarly, if I need to press I will use this finger to go up. Okay, ultimately I'll come back here only. So this is my positioning hand. You can see my both thumbs are resting on the space bar. So this way you need to use this keyboard. If I need to press this caps lock, you can see my little finger is on A. So which is the nearest finger to press it? The little finger only of the left hand. I'll use this little finger of the left hand to press caps lock. What if I need to press the shift key? Again, your hand will be near to A. So nearest finger to press the shift is little finger only. Okay, so you need to see which is your nearest finger to press that particular key. Like if I want to press enter, then which key, which finger you will be using? The right hand little finger. Okay, otherwise this finger is resting on this. Okay, so when you need to press enter, you will use this your little finger of the right hand to press it. Okay, similarly we always look for the nearest approach only, which particular finger is nearest to that key. If you will use this simple formula, then definitely you will be able to learn the keyboard keys very quickly. Okay, there is no hard and fast rule for it. Either you learn it or either you use your common sense to judge which particular key I have to press. For that, the simplest rule is just see which is your means the nearest finger approaching to that particular key. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now a question can be there in the exam: what is the correct posture for typing? So with these points you must learn. Okay, although they are very simple, but still a question can be there. So when you are typing, your back should be straight and your elbow should be at the right angle. Your feet should be firmly on the ground. Means this is the position actually that he is describing in different points. So when you are looking at the screen, then your head must be tilted slightly forward. Okay, slightly forward. Okay, then if you want to keep your means if you want to keep at least, means you need to keep 20 to 30 inches distance between your eyes and the screen. The distance between the eyes and the screen should be at least 20 to 30 inches. Okay, your keyboard must be placed at a height of 28 to 30 inches. Okay, and you must put your least strain on your shoulder, arms and wrist muscles while typing, because if you are typing for a longer duration, definitely you will be feeling tired. This is the wrong position. If you are sitting like this, you must sit in this position for typing for a longer period of time. Okay, this will not give you tiredness. Now the same thing he is discussing in detail. If you need to press caps lock key, spacebar key and enter key, just check yourself how much you have got the concept that I have just discussed. So if you need to press the caps lock key, where is the caps lock key? Here on the virtual keyboard. So you can see the little left hand finger will be means helping us to press this particular key. Okay, then if you need to press spacebar, both the hand thumbs, okay, they are there to press. Then enter key if you need to press, then you can see the little finger of the right hand will help me to press this enter key. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now if you need to press G and H, so you know very well, we don't have to press any we don't have to put any of the finger on these three. Okay, these are, you can clearly see them. This picture is much clear. T, Y, G, H, B, N. T, Y, G, H, B, N. We don't have to put any of the finger on these, but when we need to press them, we can bring our little finger, index finger of the left or right hand to press them. Okay, if I need to press T, then I can bring the little finger, index finger of the left hand. And if I need to press Y, I can bring the index finger of the right hand. If I need to press G, I can bring the index finger of the left hand. For H, I can bring the index finger of the right hand. For pressing B, I can bring the left finger, index finger of the left hand. Similarly, for pressing N, okay, I can bring the right hand index finger here. Okay, I hope it is clear. So he is explaining all these in detail like this only, how to press E and I. If E is to be pressed, obviously which particular key is to be pressed, you can see it from here also. If I need to press E, okay, which particular key means finger you will be using, the middle finger of the left hand. Okay, similarly if I need to press I, so I, the nearest finger is middle finger of the right hand. Okay, similarly R and U, where are R and U? Okay, the index finger of the left hand and index finger of the right hand. Okay, beta, I found one problem here, that this particular keyboard might not be matching with the keyboard that is present on your laptop. There could be reasons related to the software only. Actually, this version is 5.2. Many later versions are also available. If your laptop is new, okay, then you might not have the same options that are present here on the virtual keyboard. So in that case, what you can do, you can go with the higher versions of the keyboard, the rapid typing tutor. Moreover, if the number of keys in your laptop are more, this is a basic version, means where we are having 104 keys. If your keyboard of the laptop is having more than 104 keys, then also these keys placement may vary. So accordingly, you must select initially when you have installed the software. That time also it is asking which key structure you are having, 104, 105 and more than that. So you need to select it accordingly, otherwise you will feel my laptop is having different key placements and this virtual keyboard is having different key placements. So you need to check it, how many keys are there on your laptop and which version or which keyboard structure you have chosen in the rapid typing tutor. Okay, so make it very clear before you start it. Okay, so if you go for W and O, where is W? Here, and O here. So you can easily see my ring finger of the left hand will be used to press W, and my ring finger of the right hand will be used to press the O button, right? Similarly, Q and P, here is Q and here is P. So left index finger or left little finger, here the right little finger will be used to press them. P this time we need to press, and if I want to press this, so obviously little finger will be moved here. Okay, so you need to go with the simple rule, which is the nearest finger to approach that particular key. What are the benefits of computer keyboard? That if you are well versed in the knowledge of the computer keyboard, then you will find the typing very easy. It will not waste your paper, means many things you will be doing on the computer itself very fastly, so you will try typing only instead of writing on the paper. Okay, it saves a lot of time, and correction is very easy here. Okay, when you are doing something on the computer, and you can write, means there is no need to write again and again. Okay, so these are very simple benefits, you can read it. Okay, so if you want to press C and comma, where is C? You can see C is here. Okay, so which finger you will be using? Obviously middle finger of the left hand, and if you need to press comma, then you will be using the middle finger of the right hand. So beta, these you need to learn. Okay, and abhi aapse dobara if I'm asking what are the home keys, then A, S, D, F, J, K, L and colon. A, S, D, F, J, K, L, these are my home keys. These are my home keys. A, S, D, F, J, K, L, colon. These are my home keys. Fine. You must learn that. It is a very important question. Okay. Typing with B and N. Okay. How you will press B and N? Obviously, there we don't have to put any finger. So my left hand index finger will be here. I'll be using my left hand index finger to press B, and similarly right hand index finger will be used to press N. Okay, how to press X and then full stop? Again, index finger of the left hand, middle finger, then ring finger. So we'll be using ring finger. Again, you can see index finger, middle finger and ring finger. This is comma, this is full stop. Okay. Next is Z and slash, little finger of both the hands accordingly. Okay, and if you need to press this apostrophe, where it could be this. So again, you will be using your little finger of the right hand. You will go up and just click it and come back to your original home keys. Okay, how to press the shift key? Shift key is here also, here also. Okay, either you can use the little finger of the left hand to press it, or you may press the right hand's little finger. Okay, so this diagram we have already drawn in the notebook. This is giving you a summary which keys will be pressed with which fingers only. Okay, so you must learn them. If you will practice the rapid typing tutor, you will be very much clear about it. Okay, you just learn these keys like home keys A, S, D, F, J, K, then for that particular colon and so on. Okay. So you must learn like this. 20 to 30 characters are there that you need to learn, basically, that are asked. Okay. Now beta, this the window of your rapid typing tutor. So let me show you once again. So beta, this is your current lesson tab. See, whatever lesson is opened, like this is my course. Okay, there are 5 courses: introduction course, beginner course, experienced course, advanced course and testing course. Okay, you can add more courses here, I'll be explaining later. Okay, so this is basically current lesson tab. Which lesson you are, see, like I am using this introduction course and lesson 1, and it is having 9 lessons in it, so I can select any of the lesson. And if I want to go with the shift key lessons, again I am having 9 lessons. Digit keys, I have 3 lessons. For numeric pad, I have 2 lessons. Okay, so I can select any of the lessons. See, if I'm using this numeric pad lesson 1, so only the numbers will come. Okay, and it will give me practice like this only. Fine, so I need to select which course and which lesson. This is course, this is lesson. And courses are having different lessons accordingly. And the level of the courses will keep on increasing as I am going down. So we'll be discussing what is the difference between these courses when the topic comes. So this is my current lesson tab. This is my current lesson tab. So when it is lighter in color, that means this particular tab is active. Okay, this is my student statistics tab. So when I'm clicking it on, you can see the statistics, means the graph and the representations of the things how I'm doing is represented here. Okay, how better I'm performing, how poor I'm performing, I can get an idea very easily from looking at this student statistics tab. Okay, and if I need to go with the lesson editor tab, if I need to design my own lessons, okay, so I can use this lesson editor tab. Beta, can you notice the shortcut key? That is Control+3. Okay, for student statistics, Control+2, and for this current lesson, that is Control+1. One thing more I just want to show. Acha, abhi if I want to go on the current lesson, so shortcut key is Control+1. Now I'll press it. You can see now it has been activated. Okay, this has been, whatever is activated will be of lighter in color. Okay, so beta, one more option I want to show. When this option particular button you are clicking on, you will get a option of shortcuts. So when you will click it on, it will show all the shortcuts that you can use in this rapid typing tutor. I told you to write these shortcuts in your fair notebook also and use them. Okay, so you can get a better idea and you can use these shortcuts wherever they are in need of. Okay, so note down this shortcuts if you have not written in your fair notebooks from here only. They are not given in your book, but it is very useful to have a good command or good speed of the software. Okay, so these three tabs we have discussed. Current lesson tab, that will show the current lesson. This is student statistics, that will show me the statistics, means how I am performing. And lesson editor tab will help me to design a new lesson. Like these lessons are already present. You can see these are the lessons, lesson 1, lesson 2. So you can see different lessons. If I want to create my own lesson, then I can go in this lesson editor tab. This will help me in doing that. Toolbar is this one. Okay, that is offering me different options. Option button I have explored. बताया था आपको अभी, shortcut is there and many other features are there. You can use them. Minimize, maximize button is there. Very easy. This is your status bar. See, I will come back here. This is my status bar. Which key I have to press? Okay, which key I have to press? It is showing me. Okay, so it is telling me कि num key lock is on, so you need to press it. See, if I go in different lesson, basic lesson 1, okay, so now it is telling me F is to be pressed with the index key, then space bar, then J I need to press. I will keep on looking on the keyboard, virtual keyboard only, and I'll keep on pressing. Okay, so this way it will help me in guiding, and you can see all the instructions, they are coming here. Fine. Next is your virtual keyboard. Why this is your virtual keyboard? Why this is known as virtual keyboard? Because it is not physically present on your laptop. You cannot touch it. Okay, it is just available on the screen only. That is why it is known as virtual keyboard, we can say. Okay, this is the text panel where you can see the text written and from where you can read and to implement. Okay, beta. So I hope it is clear to you. And one most important thing is rapid typing software is a freeware. Why I'm saying freeware? Because this is available free of cost on this particular site, rapidtyping.com. Okay, so you need to just go to that particular site and download it. There is no payment for it. So such softwares which do not require any particular payment, they will be known as freeware, which are available free of cost. They are known as freewares because some softwares are there which means that demand money to be paid first, then you can use it. I hope it is clear to you.